Hi everyone, this is Kai from Tizaw. Want to give your WhatsApp a sleek new look? Today I will show you how to change WhatsApp chat wallpaper. Let's get started. In few simple steps, we can chat. We can change our WhatsApp wallpaper. First of all, open WhatsApp app, press setting option, then goes down, then press chat, then press default chat theme, then here you will find wallpaper option. Select any wallpaper from here. I am selecting this mountain wallpaper. Look here, preview showing now. Then press set option. That's it.